Welcome back, gearheads and tool enthusiasts, to another episode of Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. Today, we're talking about a game changer in precision mechanics, the Stubby Impact bit sets. Whether you're a professional or a dedicated DIYer, these bits are designed to help you conquer tight spaces with power and precision. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk variety. The Stubby Impact bits come in 3 configurations: 12-piece Torx set with a black aluminum rail organizer, 9-piece SAE set in red, 9-piece metric set also in black. Each set is neatly organized for quick identification so you can grab what you need without second guessing. These super stubby impact bits are built to deliver maximum torque without sacrificing accessibility. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to efficiency. Durability meets convenience. These bits are crafted from impact-rated steel, ensuring they withstand high torque applications. Plus, the laser-etched markings and anodized aluminum rail make size identification a breeze. Another key feature, hex-based compatibility. The 1/4-inch drive bits work with an 11mm wrench, the 3/8-inch drive fits a 17mm wrench, and the 1/2-inch drive matches a 22mm wrench. That means you can tackle even the trickiest spots where other tools just don't cut it. Whether you're working on an engine bay, assembling machinery, or tackling home repairs, these impact bits are your ultimate sidekick for precision and power. So if you're looking for a tool that brings strength, organization, and reliability, the Stubby Impact bit set is a must-have in your kit. Ready to take on your toughest tasks? Grab your set today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pro Tool insights. Let us know in the comments, where will you put these Stubby Impact bits to the test? Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.